Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this luxury apartment for sale in Florence. Check it out! Today we are in the heart of Florence, La Culla del Rinascimento, one of the most stunning cities of Italy, home to some of the most iconic landmarks such as Vecchio, Piazza della Signoria, and La Galleria degli Uffizi. The property that we are about to see today has an excellent location. It finds itself between Piazza della Signoria and Piazza Duomo. Welcome to the first internal courtyard around which this stunning 16th century palazzo wraps around. The palazzo belonged to the Ramirez de Montalvo noble family that was of Spanish origins and arrived in Florence in 1539. The façade of the palazzo is absolutely stunning, covered in frescoes hand-painted by Giorgio Vasari. Some of these frescoes have been restored and set along the hallways to preserve them. Here we are in a second shared courtyard that adds a lovely touch of greenery. And from here we have an amazing view over La Cupola dei Brunelleschi. But if you'll follow me, let's check out the apartment. Welcome to this gorgeous apartment, which is on the second floor of a historical palazzo dating back to the 16th century that belonged to Ramirez de Montalvo. The apartment is 230 square meters, all developed on one floor. Features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Right now, we are in this spacious living area with the finest details and finishes, filled with natural light. Amongst the details, the original details to the palazzo, is this perfectly restored fresco on the wall. And just look at the beautiful exposed wooden beam ceilings. Apart from that, we have beautiful wooden floors and a bioethanol fireplace. The room gets its natural light from an internal courtyard, which ensures complete privacy. The living room features a lovely sitting area overlooking the TV area. And this is the heart of the apartment. From here, we can connect to the kitchen. Between the living room and the kitchen is a guest bathroom that serves the floor. Here we have this spacious kitchen. This apartment is a perfect example of modern elegance. Just look at the simple colors and lines of the kitchen. Simply unique. Central to the space is this dining area / island with wine chiller. The kitchen is perfectly equipped and has an induction stove. From here, and well connected to the guest bathroom, is a first bedroom. This first spacious bedroom has beautiful cotto floors and exposed wooden beam ceilings. This is a king-size bedroom. We have a TV area over here and a corner dedicated to studies or work. Walking back through the living room, we are now connecting to the dining room. Apart from the living room and the kitchen, the rest of the apartment has these beautiful cotto floors. Right now, we are in the dining area, which has a central glass table that can sit 6 people. However, when completely open, can sit up to 12 people. This beautiful LED light highlights the artwork that really brings color and ties the space together. Opposite to the artwork are 2 windows that look onto the internal courtyard and provide natural light. From the dining room, we can connect to the study. Also, the study has gorgeous cotto floors. This space has a loft that we can access thanks to this beautiful glass spiral staircase. The loft hosts a sitting area. However, it is a completely multifunctional space. Also here, the LED light truly ties the space together. The apartment has home automation and security system. From the study, we can access the master bathroom with marble features and rain shower, and the master bedroom. The master bedroom has tall ceilings with exposed wooden beams and beautiful cotto floors. It enjoys the privacy and tranquility of the rest of the apartment and has its own walk-in closet. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this luxury apartment for sale in Florence. On that note,